I don't know if it's a cloud or stardust or whatever it is people say, but I know you're not here. I know that much for sure, because I don't feel a thing. You went somewhere. And I know one thing for sure. You're not scared, and I am. I don't know any prayers or anything like that. But David put his hand in the bag and took out a stone and slung it and struck the Philistine on the head, and he fell to the ground. It's from Hoosiers, 1986.